Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lubricate your Toyota Sienna sliding door. Keeping your sliding doors well lubricated is key for smooth operation and extending their lifespan. First, gather your supplies. You will need a can of silicone spray lubricant and a clean rag. Make sure your vehicle is parked securely. If your Sienna has power sliding doors, remember to disengage the automatic function before you begin. Before applying any lubricant, it is crucial to clean the door tracks. Open the sliding door fully to access all three track areas, the upper, middle, and lower sections. Use a vacuum cleaner to remove any loose dirt, dust, or small debris. Then take a clean rag, perhaps with a mild degreaser or soapy water, and thoroughly wipe down the tracks and the rollers. This step prevents grime from mixing with your new lubricant. Now it is time to apply the lubricant. We recommend using a silicone spray lubricant, as it is safe for plastic components and repels dirt. Attach the small straw to your spray can for precise application. Target the rollers and bearings in the upper, middle, and lower tracks. Give each bearing a short, controlled spray. After applying, use your clean rag to wipe away any excess lubricant, as too much can attract new dirt. Once you have lubricated all the necessary points, manually open and close the sliding door several times. This action helps to evenly distribute the silicone lubricant across the rollers and bearings, ensuring smooth operation. For lasting results, make it a habit to inspect and clean your door tracks regularly. Repeating this lubrication process 2 or 3 times each year will keep your Sienna's sliding doors working like new.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.